Every single day, 22 veterans take their own lives. That's a suicide every 65 minutes. The Compact Act bill was enacted to provide a veteran in crisis with multiple resources to get the help they need. Let's talk about those resources. Hi everyone, this is Stephanie with VA Claims Veterans Helping Veterans. Some of you may or may not know about the Compact Act bill. This is a bill that went into law on December 5th, 2020, but more importantly, under Section 201 of the bill, it states that the VA must furnish or pay for emergent suicide care, including transportation costs at a VA or non-VA facility for veterans. The bill requires the VA to ensure certain notification procedures occur in relation to the veteran receiving emergent suicide care. This became final policy within the VA as of January 17, 2023. And since that implementation, more than 50,000 veterans have gotten the help they need. Let's take a look at the resources together and break down what this means for the veteran and their loved ones should the veteran need emergent suicidal care. The first resource: what does the Compact Act mean for veteran? What is it? Who is eligible for the Compact Act related services? Does a veteran need to be enrolled in the VA system to receive Compact related emergency care when in acute suicidal crisis? What information do veterans need to provide to emergency department staff to let them know they are eligible for VA to pay for or provide their care? And does the community emergency department need an agreement with the VA to be paid for Compact-related care? Another resource, the 24/7 confidential crisis support hotline. You can dial 988 and press 1. You can chat online, or you can text. And lastly, another good resource is the VA Mental Health Suicide Prevention website. There's an overview, as well as finding support. This subject, while sensitive, is important to share and spread the information regarding free emergency suicide care when a veteran needs it, no matter where they are. As you can see, there are many options afforded to veterans and their families, and it's okay to ask for help. Please be sure to check out my video on 100% temporary disability, because if you are service-connected for mental health and require hospitalization, inpatient treatment, you could potentially file for this benefit. I hope this video was informative, and I'll put the links of what I discussed in the video in the description section. Please leave any comments or questions you may have in the comment section below, or feel free to email me at VACVHV@gmail.com. And remember my motto: veterans do better when veterans know better.